Welcome back, guys. Welcome back with another video. And today I'll be playing some Beast One Simulator. So if you saw Roblox, the new update has come. New bees. Yes, guys. New bees. And I think, and there's a new bear quest, guys. There is a new bear quest for only 11 hours. Wow, guys. Talk to some bear. Well, no, that's 11 days. Sorry. Talk to the sun bear. Come on. Check this place out. Not bad. This mountain is a water farmer's forest, honey. So I decided to come here. See it for myself. I'm Samba, one of the traveling bears. I see you've noticed my belt bag. I don't go anywhere with this thing. I happen to have another one. It's not interesting, but you need something from you in exchange. I want you to demonstrate what makes this place so special. Show me what your piece is made of. Complete these 6 quests. Only 4 with blues, and I'll give you a belt bag. But make it quick. I'm only here for a few weeks. Think of activity, 10 ability tokens. And while you're at it, defeat 2 ladybugs and 2 rhino beetles. Go on now. It's time to see what all the hype is about. Hey guys. So collect 10 ability tokens, 2 rhino beetles, and 2 rhino. Okay, guys. So
if you hear talking in the background, it is my friend Francesco. He's making his own YouTube video on Francesco123. Go check that channel out.
And so, guys, if you can hear the background, it is Ben. He is making a video, and go subscribe to his channel too, Ben Star 123. So, guys, it said defeat 2 rhino beetles, so I'm just gonna go here. I need to collect 10 tokens. Guys, what is this? What is this stick, guys? What is this? You need 6 tickets to use the Royal Jelly Dispenser. What's the Royal Jelly Dispenser, guys? What is it? I do not know how to make. Okay, guys, I need to get these rhino beetles and ladybugs. Get them, me bees! Okay, I need to get those tokens too.
Hey guys, I think I found a secret area. I don't know, but I think I found a secret area.
So he is playing the Granny game where you have to escape the Granny.
Okay, so I think I found a area for pliers or cutting tools.
I defeated the ladybug, so I need to defeat 2 more. Or 1 more, I should say. I ran a beetle. No.
I died, but I just got killed.
Guys, and it did say get the tokens. So
I'm gonna go back to the bedroom. I don't know where that is, so I'm gonna go back to the bedroom. Okay.
So guys, there's 1 ladybug here, and we've completed them too. Ladybug, ladybug, come here, come here. Get this.
Key.
Okay, let me get the abilities too.
Key, and now go this way.
Yes, guys. So we have completed it. Now all we do is get the ability tokens.
Go behind me, because Granny doesn't know I'm in here. Let's sneak in here. Okay. So I have a weapon key, so that might help. I don't know. So I'm gonna go look what's around here. Okay, so I'm back where
Guys,
I died.
I completed it. Yes. He's a token teaser. That's what it said. Guys. But I am so excited that the new update came out. And that guy already has a newbie. He already has 1. The guy's a newbie already. What? Guys, it's so hard when you have a parachute. Okay. Talk to the sun bear. So that's what those things look like. Those are pretty cool. So cool, I'll give you 1 of these. It's a ticket. It can be used to activate special machines or purchase event piece from the ticket then. You can get them from quests or from the feeding bugs and monsters. If you're lucky, you may even find one in the flower.
Key.
But that's enough about tickets. I know what you really want. Collect 5 more quests and I'll give you a belt back. Guys.
When I
just
first
got killed, I
heard
think, by
about
Granny.
buzz bombs, I thought it sounded ridiculous. How could a bee produce a bomb that collects pollen? But I've ever seen those. I just got to see the bombs in action. Collect 25 bombs and 5,000 from the dandelion field right there.
25 bombs? Are you serious?
What?
So here's playing Bee Swarm. If you don't know that game, it's you have to collect all these bees, and yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, but I still play it a bit. So yeah, where did I find that playground?
Okay, so
Yeah,
guys,
okay.
we need to find the most bombs we can. Guys, 25 bombs. I'm hoping we can complete this in this video. I just need to check something quickly. Okay. Let's keep going.
Okay, guys. So I think I know how to get to the playhouse now.
Guys, I got 2. Oh, 1 more bomb, guys. That's good. So we need to collect the pollen from this field too.
There's a key there.
Guys, it is so glitchy.
Is this the playhouse?
Guys, something happened. Okay, so I lost connection of the game.
Lost connection.
So guys, sorry the video was short, but hope you enjoyed the video.
Yep, hope you enjoyed.
Bye.